really like the fact that got 2 doors too.
This little guy's only $39. Grand Design Momentum.
No slides, but it has a garage.
Oh yeah, opens straight out onto one of those little patio garages.
Yeah, so then this would be your kitchen and living space. It's got tie downs for your golf cart, 4 side by side, whatever.
There's rear seating that flips down. I think you can make it into bed.
Yeah, it's
and
got
then
legs on it, so yeah, it folds all the way down.
An upper drop down bunk or storage, fold out porch, microwave, big sink, cooktop, nice size refrigeration. Let's look at the spec sheet.
This is nice. You have a little deck in the back here.
Grand Design.
That would be ideal for the dogs. Like.
Good sized little bathroom. Skylight shower. Underbed storage.
Ooh, that's big. You could put a lot of winter gear or something in there.
And there's additional closet space all around here. So little drawers and cabinets. A little bit of overhead lighting on the bed. And look, back behind the bed there's some of those little cubbies.
Yep.
Those are nice. Good value price option. Yeah. Yeah, it's got an awning. Oh, and there's a little gate here, so you can like use the porch on and off. I think if you're hauling like bicycles or mopeds or golf carts,
E-bikes, shit like that, a golf
yeah.
cart, side by side, whatever. Because that couch and shit folds up like this one does. So you got tons of room.